crash and stall. Just a simple workflow. I thought I had enough. I download the checkpoint, 40 gigs of pure desire. My cooling fans are spinning, my laptop's catching fire. I set the batch size to 1. I'm playing it safe tonight, but the console window's flashing red. Something isn't right. I check the task manager, performance looking grim. The VRAM bar is filling up right to the very rim. I see the stutter in the mouse. I know what's coming next. I should have bought the desktop. Now I'm totally perplexed. To use the quantized model, the Q4KM, but even low precision creates unparalleled mayhem. I close the browser tabs, I shut down Spotify, but Python simply laughs at me and prepares to die. Why is optimized attention so hard to find? I'm trading layers to the CPU, I'm losing mine. Just give me one more token, just let me see the seed. But the Tensor
Here's the model I used to generate the song. No introduction needed. It's the one trending everywhere right now. And yes, you can run this perfectly with just 8 gigs of VRAM. Here's the style and genre I used for the first track. You'll just pop those instructions right into this box here. Drop your lyrics in this box. Now, don't expect studio quality mastery, but it lets you unleash your creativity and turn an idea into a song in under a minute. Here's the BPM, beats per minute. This controls your song speed. For the track you just heard, I went with 130 BPM. Now let's check out the generation process and other settings. I'm using 8 steps here. I've got the CFG set to 1 since this is a turbo model. For the sampler, I'm using LCM. And the scheduler is set to beta 57. Feel free to check out the other options too. You can try samplers like Euler, Euler Ancestral or S multi-step. Just find what works best for you. Here's the generation. Took about 79 seconds. The next ones will be a bit faster since the models are loaded now. Here's the prompt for the next run. Let's drop the BPM to 90 for this one and set the key scale to E minor. Check out the generation process. And here's our song, done in 68 seconds. Honestly, this model is super easy to get running on your system.
Yeah. Yeah, look, the screen is glowing in the dark. I try to light a fire, but I lost the spark. 40 gigs of weight's heavy on my drive, keeping this workflow barely alive. I see the fan spin, hear the coil whine. I'm pushing boundary, never mind. Batch size of 1, resolution low, but the progress bar, it just won't go. Oh, skill the background process, but my VRAM usage is still a mess. I'm trading layers, offloading keys. I'm begging Python, baby, please. Why you gotta do this to me? I'm drowning in the error, lost tonight. I tried to fix it, but I lost the fight. It's tearing me apart. Empty tensors and a broken heart. I need a 4 to 90 or maybe 2, cause 8 gigs just ain't enough for you. No, it ain't enough. I tried the quantizing, the GGF, but the quality's gone, man. It's getting rough, pixelate dreams on a 1080. Is this the future that you promised me? Illegal memory access, the code is red, my ComfyUI is clearly dead. Maybe I should quit, maybe I should sleep, but the latent space is calling me too deep. I just generate. Yeah. Why you gotta do this to me? I'm drowning in the air of love. Tonight I tried to fix it, but I lost the fight. He's tearing me apart. Empty tensors in a broken heart. I need a 4 to 90 or maybe 2, cause 8 gigs just ain't enough for you. Not enough for you. Yeah.
Right here, you got the direct one-click download link to the model in this node. Once it's downloaded, head to your main ComfyUI directory, open the ComfyUI folder, and inside, you will find the models folder. Open it and drop your downloaded model right into the checkpoints folder. Then head back to the main ComfyUI directory, open the update folder, and double-click the update ComfyUI bat file if you are on the nightly version. Otherwise, just double-click the stable bat file. Inside ComfyUI, you will see a section called Templates. That's where you will find the default workflow. Just double-click it and you will have the full ComfyUI workflow ready to go. I'll also drop the link to the JSON file in the description and the pinned comment below. Here's the node where you select the model. Click the drop down and manually pick your downloaded model just to make sure it's locked in. Below that is the sound duration node. You can set the length of your song right here. This model supports a few other languages as well. You can pick your preferred language by clicking here. Check out my 3rd generation too.
I heard there was a secret flow that saved the VRAM, low and slow. But you don't really care for settings, do you? It goes like this: the float then, the baffle coder cursing, ComfyUI. ComfyUI, stable diffusion, out of memory, out of memory. Your workflow was strong, but you needed proof. You saw the models on the roof, the beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. You tied me to a darker chair, you broke my build.
You cut my hair and from my lips you drew the cellular error, illegal error. Out of memory, out of memory, memory.
Maybe there's a you above, but all I've ever learned from love is how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not someone who's seen the light. It's a cold and broken Tensor Alchemist, Tensor Alchemist, Tensor Alchemist. Out of memory,